Welcome to Super Simple Sauppe. Today I'm going to be making a really simple dessert, cake pops. The things you'll need are cake mix, and in this cake mix you'll be needing 3 eggs, 1/3 cup of butter, and 1/4 cup of milk. You will also be needing frosting, sprinkles, and cake pop sticks. You can also use chopsticks if you don't have them. So let's start. First, add the eggs. Now add your cake mix. Make a little hole in the middle of your mix. Now add your eggs one by one and keep mixing. Now add your milk. Now you can add your softened or melted butter. This is the cake mix that we use. It'll be linked in the description down below. Then pour your batter into an 8 or 9 inch pan. This is what it should look like. Now our cake is baked and cooled, so we can form the balls now. I'm going to put it on a plate. Little by little, take pieces of your cake and break them apart into little crumbs. This is what they should look like at the end. Now put 2 tablespoons of frosting. I like to use cream cheese frosting, it's my favorite. Now mix your crumbs with the frosting really well. Once your crumbs are mixed, you can form them into balls. Make them as round as you can. I made them with my sister to make the process faster. Put them in the freezer for 15 minutes. I'm going to show you a little magic trick. 3, 2, 1. Now get your stick and dip them in the melted white chocolate. Now you can put a chocolate ball onto your stick. Now you can cover your cake pop with chocolate. Do the same process for the rest of your balls. You can put the cake pops in a cup like this. I even got creative and put white chocolate on this one to make it look marble. This is the final product. Here's my cake pop. We decided not to put sprinkles because, well, we ate them. Thank you for watching Super Simple Sauppe. If you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!